Chevra, a Chiddish in Certo. Jeder kennt aber wisst der Mordechai Gross von die Kreftig Takeout do in Certo. Delicious Essen, the fine Essen von Kreftig. So a Chiddish do in the line von Kreftig. Let me take you to the other side over here. Und sie did der Mordechai hat übergenommen the meat department von Certo. Kolakawad Mordechai. Let me give him the Michael.
How are you?
So, for schon 2,5 years, how long is the new Kreftig open over here?
Kreftig, 2,5 years, ja.
In the Oilem Rasch, der ist immer geweit an Wild mit Kreftig.
We're trying.
Das heißt, jeder weiß, ein gutes Stück Fleisch, ein guter Takeout, ein geschmacker Schnitzel-Sandwich ist Kreftig.
Good job, so.
Ich kann dir geben einen Pat in the back.
Ach,
und jetzt hat Mordechai Gross, was jeder trust him, jeder will like him. We know your food is premier food. So you just took over the meat department.
Yeah.
This mind is either like get the marble like stickle rib steak. There's only one place to come to.
100%.
The butcher. Wow, Mordechai, gib mich ein bisschen ein Tour von der behind us do.
First of all, let's talk about our specialties though. Menschen fragen allemaal, what are you bringing to the table? Als wenn ein Mensch macht auf a Platz, what are you going to bring new to the market? What we're doing over here is a special. Jeder Label, jeder Fleisch, every piece is labeled exactly was it is. We don't write on a piece of meat flanken, wenn es nicht flanken. We don't write a piece of meat when it's cheek meat, when it's nicht cheek meat. Whatever you buy, whatever says on the label, that's what you're getting. Transparency is number one to our customers. Nicht nur das, somebody do a full zettel mit a guide exactly. Welches American, welches Canadian, welches imported. Jede Sache, und nicht ein Mensch kommt daran, wo ist das?
So it's very easy for a meat store to fool somebody. How?
Because you get a package of meat, you have no idea. Von wie kommt das? Kommt das von Amerika, kommt das von Canada, kommt das von Uruguay, kommt das von Argentina?
And you have no idea.
And by us, everything is transparent and labeled, and that's key.
Ich muss sagen, ich ga nicht schon weg in store. Gleich das Sticker. Bonus flanken of the package of flanken.
Don't get me started.
Ich had hier gezien, weil ik moest dat zeggen. De bier, kan zo weg in de ikke, weg in de bonus. Het is gewoon een stikkel dat. Was op de jou gerecht.
Listen, so this is flanken is one of the items that everyone's known for.
Was jeder lijkt erop als een bonus sticker daar?
Ja, maar lijkt als aannemen, dan moest je die item. Het is even een prime bonus chunk meat. Rafstores even deze flanken, bonus flanken. We're not going to do something like that. If it's not flanken, we won't call it flanken.
Transparent is the key over here bij Mordechai Gross. Mordechai, laat me gaan voor die ogen. Ik weet bij Kreftig, it's your baby. Maar weet je, koopt dat sandwich, man koopt dat anything, sesame chicken. Die lijkt daar aan de hart en alles in de essen. De essen is 1000% delicious. Weet je, ik ga moisturizen. Maar ik koop dat pist, it gotta be good.
Yeah.
En ik kom doet zich Kreftig. Deze meint als het giet, ze fijn, ze delicious. Het is dezelfde goede quality, guys.
We're here every day. Cut fresh dailies. En ik doe zaken, we zitten door voor wochen, geduschen. We're very, very on top of it. Jede zufrieden checken we door the shelf. And we're mamish on top of jede single cut. We clean everything. Let's rib steak. Du kommt da Bein. Rauf, schön, unannehmen, lassen du über der Bein do. We trim it off. Du kommt ein riesiges Stückel Fett. Kick du, we take it off.
You're buying a rib steak, you're getting real meat.
You're buying a rib steak, you're buying a rib steak. I'm not selling you bones. You want bones?
Kick me into voedig in the house.
What took over? You only see marbleization. I'm not kidding. Seriously.
And boedig knows meat, okay? Guys?
A whole
Let me give you the mic over here.
No, what do I need a mic for?
Made it onto the status.
Okay, I made it to the status, but I just passed by, I'm shopping meat, and I have to say, since he took over, it's a different kind of meat. Look, the marbleization. It doesn't matter what type, it's a whole different ball game. It's not like it used to be. So Chevra, Certo changed.
Anyway,
thanks for the compliment. I'm in it.
Actually, I am.
You really?
Yeah.
Shop the first morning?
First night.
The first night is gonna be a barbecue. Yes. What are you putting on the grill?
My secret thing is a club steak.
Oh, really?
Club steak.
Club steak?
Bone and club steak.
Very good.
What do you put on what do you dress it with? What do you season it with?
Just salt.
That's it?
Just salt. Don't ruin
Montreal,
the steak.
You don't do Montreal spices?
No, right?
Just salt.
Right
There's another thing. People don't know. When you buy quality meat, all your meat needs is salt and pepper, if you like.
It's true.
So that's what's going to stand.
You know what the flavor is? this
meat,
white
the marbling,
piece,
that's the flavor.
marbleization is the
Great, I
flavor.
didn't know that.
That's what it is. 100%. When I smoke, sometimes also like a good brisket. If I take it from here, especially not the imported one,
Not the
it's worth
imported
for a few
one.
bucks more. I'm telling you,
100%.
just put salt. That's
So,
it.
but Burach, I'm thinking we should do a weekly food review with Burach Certo. Yeah.
So what am I?
Ik wil hem asken, ik wil hem asken.
You ask him? You're
Yeah.
gonna go viral, man. A weekly tip of the week, maybe a collaboration between Mordechai and Burach.
Talking about smoking, give a kick. Some do off the shelf, whole brisket. It's
Wow.
perfect for the smoker. Kick on, beautiful whole brisket.
This is behind me.
Deze hebben. And if you don't find something on the shelf, come to me, ask anyone, was da ganze Stickel, was geschnitten, roast, soja, rack. We're here to service you, whatever you need, we have in Mirza Shem.
Nice, nice. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Mordechai, die weiß wie mir geht. A Perlowitz
Yeah, we're going
promotion.
to the deli, koidem. But I want to tell you something. Another thing people don't know that we do over here is we do grilling. Let's say, comes around, costs the ribstick, $25. Guys around to any restaurant, any steakhouse, minimum 50, 60 bucks. Buy this, take it to the Kreftig deli counter. $5, we'll grill it for you on the spot.
No way.
Freshly grilled. You don't get this
So
quality
nice.
anywhere.
That's crazy. No adraba, let's go. Ich will like get the stick. What's a marble? Give me
No,
marble.
get the
It's a
eerste
marble,
piece.
the
Kick
eerste
on.
piece.
Beautiful
You don't have to choose by
Without
you.
me choosing.
is
Every
like
piece is
the
a diamond by each.
Die lagst an den ganzen Schumme in dem, ja?
Yeah, so let's do.
Let's do this.
So come give a kick and some do that rib steak. Give a
Man,
kick,
it's okay,
seasoned up,
Kijk wie
beautifully.
Mordechai houdt. Mam schon wie a baby.
So got that over and do it from grill. Give a kick.
Nice. Can I get? I made the sizzling over here. Nice. So again, so for $5, let's start rib steak.
Rib steak. We grill it on the spot for you. You have a beautiful, freshly, no gimmicks. Verregnische gemaakt geworden, Haamse gemaakt geworden, Nechten. It was made fresh for your order. And look at the price that you're paying.
Look at the price you're paying. So in a restaurant suits von dem $80 ribeye.
Minimum.
In Dubai comes this for $25, $30.
$25,
Ribeye mit a side dish.
Met a side dish, take a side dish for $4 or $5.
Wusste, ich hab a friend of Rumi Kras, esst nur a rib steak mit a mashed potatoes.
Perfect.
So sagen sich Menschen,
You
mashed
film with
potatoes.
mention mashed potatoes, so they're like grilled vegetables, healthy.
So for $35 of
You're
that
all
full,
set.
delicious, elegant supper and kannst essen du in store
Kannst
auch.
du essen, nooit mogen, correct.
Oder
Oder
ein Essen du,
heimtrugen.
heimtrugen. Bring von der Rebels nach
Van de
Scheinem.
Rebbetzen, wir können es legen als ein
You
fancy
know?
Container, schrauben.
Really?
Schrauben.
Scheine
Ga du
message.
Ayid, was kommt du an allemal. Pack es nicht in Deli-Containers, pack es in die Schändle-Containers. Also ich fahre seine Kinder dort, als ich kaufe in einer fancy Restaurant. Nicht kein Deli. Aber ich meine, Kreftig Boxes ist enough brand name heimzubringen. I believe so. Das macht
So, aber kann machen eine Promotion du, als einer was will grillen, so ein Steak oder any Stück of Fleisch. Ein Mensch in Perlowitz bekommt eine free grill.
Yeah, we
Ja?
can do that. Jetzt bis
Mach es bis, ja.
bis noch jemand. Let's
noch-
do it. Auf 2 Wochen noch jemand.
2
Next
Wochen
2
noch.
weeks.
Gaan we
We can
er?
do.
Grill your
Give a
steak, give a kick.
Wow.
Give it the marbleization of the stickel do, the buying, the full situation. But Sam is already look at the tip, it's cut off. Alle übrige Stickel gaan cut off. Matge, the name of the new butcher is
The Butcher.
The Butcher. Waarom meer dacht man, The Butcher.
The Butcher, that's it.
Aber kommt zu The Butcher, jeder weiß.
Jeder einer weiß. The Butcher, that's it. Nothing
Moshe,
needed.
wie guys, this is The Butcher.
The Butcher,
Jeder weiß,
agree.
welcher Butcher is. Gaan we Certo, Kreftig and The Butcher. Schkoiig, Matge.
Steuer, vegetiante.